In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Unbounce. Before we jump into Unbounce, make sure you have Google Analytics 4 ready to go. In your Google Analytics account, confirm that you're working with a GA4 property, not the older Universal Analytics. Within that property, create or verify a web data stream that matches the domain or subdomain where your Unbounce landing pages live. When that's set up, Google will provide a measurement ID. It's a short code that looks like G followed by letters and numbers. Keep that handy. You'll paste it into Unbounce in just a moment. If your Unbounce pages are on a subdomain, like a marketing subdomain, use that subdomain when creating the data stream so tracking aligns correctly. Now head over to Unbounce. Log in, and in the left-hand menu open Settings, then choose Script Manager. Script Manager is the central place to add tracking to your Unbounce pages without editing each page individually. In Script Manager, click Add a Script. From the drop-down, choose Google Analytics 4. Unbounce has a built-in option for GA4, so you don't have to insert custom code manually. When prompted, paste your GA4 measurement ID. Double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after the ID. Small formatting mistakes can prevent data from sending. Next, move to the Script Usage tab. This is where you choose exactly where the analytics script should run. Select the domain or subdomain that hosts your Unbounce pages so the script is injected on the right set of pages. If you run multiple domains in Unbounce, pick all that apply to your landing pages. This helps keep your data consistent and prevents gaps in tracking. When you're satisfied with the selection, click Save to store the configuration. There's one final step. Republish your landing pages. Adding the script in Script Manager doesn't retroactively push it to already published pages until they're republished. You can open each page and republish, or use Unbounce's Mass Republish options to do this faster. Once republished, the GA4 tag will load on your pages. That's it. Give Analytics a little time to receive data, and remember that ad blockers or aggressive browser privacy settings can reduce what you see in reports. Avoid adding duplicate GA4 scripts elsewhere to prevent double counting. If your tracking goals include form submissions or button clicks, you can configure those as events and conversions inside GA4 after this connection is in place. With this setup, your Unbounce traffic and engagement will flow into GA4 for accurate measurement and optimization.